this one, and this is what we saw in the lab. And if you take a look right here, this is the upper epidermis. You're just seeing straight down on top. It didn't cut into it or anything. But this happens to be a creeping Charlie, and it's got all kinds of this red pigment. But I want you to look at, in particular, what I'm kind of circling right here. What is this? This is on the underneath part of the creeping Charlie. And these red pigmented things are all over the place. You'll notice that they're actually kind of circular. There's little circles in it like this. You may not see it very well, but there's circles like this in it. And then right smack dab in the center of it is a hole. I don't know if you can see this hole, but it's right there. What do you think that is? I'll have some I'll have a little questionnaire that you need to add down below the video so that you can answer some of the questions. Like for this first question, what is the red pigmented stuff? So, and then what I want us to do is take a look at another image that we took. Now, for instance, what is this right here? What layer is all of this right here? You can see this right here. And you can see a little bit right there, and some right there. What layer is this? If you were to look at this layer basically from here to here, what layer is it? Now this one I actually took the leaf and then I made a cross section and then faced it up. And we did some of these in the lab. This is a creeping Charlie as well. And again, you see that red pigmented stuff right here. So what layer is this? So look, this is question number 2. It's going to be kind of down on the show notes below. And then the other piece that I'd like you to look at is, what is this? What layer is this? So the first question is, what are all the red pigments? Second question is, what layer is what I have in the red? And then what I've circled in the blue, what's that? All right, let's look at another one that we did in the lab. Now, what is the function of this really dark green area? That's question 4. And then this area right here, question 5, disregard those numbers for right now, but question 5, what's all of this layer called? What's its function and what does it do? So you can see that it's one thing to look at a nice clean drawing, but it's quite another to actually see the real thing. And you can see this area extremely well. I'm pretty certain you know what this would be. It's a single cell layer right here, and this is really, really clear. Creeping Charlies make just a really good a cross-sectional view because the cells are so large, and you can see the cutin here at the top, right up here. So you can see the cutin, or cuticle, I should say. And look at the last one. Those are those red things I was talking about. So question number 1, excuse me, kind of shows you this. And again, look at this. This is really an awesome picture right here. There's one of them right here. And you see this one right here and here. That is a really, really good picture. And of course, it's nice and bright and red for you. Well, I hope that's helped. I got a little quiz here at the end that you need to take. There are essentially 5 questions. What are the red pigmented things? What's that first layer that I looked at? And then basically also what is all that loose material underneath it? And so I hope that you watch the video very carefully, answer the questions, and we'll see you in the lab. Thanks.